Hello everybody! So we made an Easter present for ourselves and we became yesterday on Saturday a happy owners of these 4 beautiful chicken. So that was our little secret, what we kept a little bit secret, but that was our crazy project of several last weeks, let's say. So this is a house which Soren built himself totally and completely. The image inside we will show you some other time. Now we wanted to show you this little beautiful chicken. Still some things we should finish and make it more beautiful because only yesterday they arrived to us. But we are already friends and already love each other. Happy Easter for everyone.